What does a life coach do? Life coaches aid their clients in improving their relationships, careers, and day-to-day lives. We help you clarify your goals, identify obstacles, target your unique skills, and leverage on your strength and guide you to achieve your goals effectively. So do you hire a coach when you are successful? Or do you hire a coach to help you become successful? A great coach can work with you to stay on track, whether it is to study better, start a business, change of career, or just picking up new skills. It doesn't really matter where you are in your life now. If you want to experience a breakthrough, get a life coach. But life coaching is not for everyone. Life coaching is only for people who are committed to the process, which includes getting uncomfortable, listens and open to new ideas, willing to make changes, and getting their homework done. After all, you are the one who will benefit most in the progress. Successful people have coaches, people like Oprah Winfrey, Barack Obama, Hugh Jackman. And why not you? These people realized that they would get more out of themselves if they had the support, advice, and accountability of a coach. Just like people employ personal trainers to help them get fit or lose weight, achieving goals can be accelerated by using a coach. You might ask, does life coach actually helps? Studies conducted by the International Coaching Federation on the effectiveness of life coaching showed 99% of the people saw their experience working with life coach rewarding. 96% stated they would do it again. What does it mean to work with a life coach? A coach will recognize your strengths and challenges and design a custom plan to help you achieve your defined goals effectively. And he will continue to inspire and motivate you throughout the journey of self-discovery and growth. Are you ready to be coached? Make an obligation-free appointment with us now and get to know more about life coaching and how it will benefit you and take you to greater heights in life effectively. Thank you for watching. See you on the other side.